Let's make this Excel dashboard in 2 minutes using the repeat function in the Playbill font. Follow the repeat formula here exactly as shown, and at the end we're going to divide by 200. If you increase that number to say 500, you're going to have a different length bar, so go ahead and test that out. Then on the right, it's the exact same thing, except you're using 0 in the double quotes. And you need to multiply by 20, let's say. Again, adjust that number for your shorter or longer bars. You can go ahead and center these vertically if you wish, and then let's get into the color changes. So I'm selecting everything and going to conditional formatting. And what we're trying to do here is select a range of numbers. So my range is going to be 8,000 is the high end, 4,000 is the more middle range. And so anything over 8,000, I want to be green because that's the best sales numbers. Anything in the mid-range, I'm using the AND function here, and I'm going to say it's between 4,000 and 8,000. And then when you hit format, you want to make sure that you hit font because we want to change this font color to yellow. This is not a fill, even though it looks like a bar. And then for the last section here, we want this to be red because this is going to be our lower portion of anything under 4,000. So then I like to hit OK in between each step to make sure each bar is registering properly. And then for the right, let's do the exact same thing, but we're going to have different ranges because these are percentages. You can adjust this as you see fit, but for me, I chose 0.7 or 70% and 0.5 or 50%. So as I'm going through and entering these formulas, the first one was greater than 70. This one is now going to be between 50 and 70 is going to be yellow. Again, make sure you hit font. And then for this last one, anything below 50 is going to be in the red. But you can adjust these numbers to whatever makes sense for you. So one more time, we're going to go to format and then font. Test it out, and there's your dashboard. All done.